What if I told you the difference between staying broke and becoming a millionaire might come down to something as small as one single dollar? Not a business deal, not a lottery win, not some secret Wall Street connection, just $1. Repeated with discipline when nobody is watching. Most people think wealth is built in big moments, big salaries, big risks, big breakthroughs. But that belief is exactly why most people never build wealth at all, because they're waiting for more money to start thinking like rich people. Here's the truth that nobody teaches you early enough. Wealth is not created by how much you earn. It's created by how you behave with what you already have. And that's where the $1 rule changes everything. The $1 rule is simple. Every time you spend money on something unnecessary, you also invest at least $1 into something that builds your future. Sounds too small to matter, right? That's the mistake, because your brain doesn't build wealth through size. It builds it through identity. Right now, most people live in a cycle of consumption. Earn, spend, repeat. They upgrade their lifestyle every time their income slightly increases. But their financial foundation stays the same. So even when they make more, they don't keep more. The $1 rule breaks that cycle at the psychological level. It forces a new identity. I am someone who pays my future first, even if it's just $1. And here's the hidden shift. Once you start doing it, something strange happens. You stop seeing money as something to spend and start seeing it as something to direct. That's how investors think. That's how owners think. Because rich people don't wait for extra money to invest. They build systems where investing is automatic, even if the amount is small. Think about this. $1 won't make you rich, but the behavior behind that dollar scales into thousands, then tens of thousands, then eventually millions. Compare two people. One waits until they have enough money to start investing. The other starts with almost nothing, but never breaks the habit. 10 years later, it's not even a fair comparison. One has a lifestyle, the other has assets. And here's the emotional truth nobody likes to admit. Most people don't fail financially because they don't earn enough. They fail because they never trained themselves to respect money when it was small. The $1 rule is not about money, it's about control. Control over impulse, control over delay, control over identity, because once you prove to yourself that you can invest, even $1 consistently, you remove the biggest barrier to wealth, inconsistency. And consistency is what compounds into freedom, not luck, not timing, not intelligence, behavior. So don't underestimate the smallest version of wealth building, because every millionaire started with the same thing. Decision to treat money differently before they ever had a lot of it. Start with $1 and let your future self handle the scale. If you found this perspective useful, consider subscribing for more calm, reality-based financial discussions.